Did you know that moving just 2 minutes every hour can decrease premature death risks by 33%? So let's get up and move. We're gonna do 2 rounds of this 1-minute routine. According to a study by the University of Utah School of Medicine, just 2 minutes of physical activity for every hour of sitting can lower the risk of premature death by as much as 33%. Furthermore, people who sit more than 7 hours per day are much more likely to develop depression, dementia, and Alzheimer's. According to a study of almost 9,000 middle-aged women, sitting for more than 7 hours daily increases the risk of depression by 47% compared to those who sit for 4 hours a day or less. The decrease in blood circulation makes it harder for hormones like endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin to reach receptors. Now, I know it might be hard to remain standing for that much time in your day, but let's start with that 2 minutes for every hour that we're sitting. I made this simple routine for you. We started with working our hip flexors and circulation. Then we did jacks with a little stretch to open that chest to counter forward posture. And we're gonna end with some butt kicks to wake up those knees and hamstrings. 20 seconds each, repeat 2 times.